calibration on the new Delta arms seems precise.
Yes, the error rate is down by 20% this quarter. Send the next batch down to sorting. Watch your back, forklift coming through on the left. Every camera begins its second life at the Precision Disassembly Station. The lens is one of the most valuable reusable parts and must be removed with extreme precision. Each reusable component is separated before the main recycling process begins. Inside every discarded camera are dozens of valuable components waiting to be recovered. At this stage, the meticulous removal of the outer casing requires both automated speed and the steady hand of an expert technician.
Each component now follows its own specialized recycling path, ensuring that every recoverable material is processed efficiently.
Every image sensor is removed with microscopic precision to protect valuable electronic materials. The robotic arm precisely extracts the circuit board. It is immediately transferred to anti-static trays for high-speed inspection. Each component now follows its own specialized recycling path, ensuring that every recoverable material is processed efficiently.
Hidden beneath the outer shell are the electronic components that contain many of the valuable materials recovered later in the process.
Every circuit board is carefully inspected before valuable materials can be recovered. One discarded camera has now become dozens of carefully sorted material streams, each beginning a new industrial journey. Modern laser-guided systems separate different metals with remarkable accuracy, helping maximize material recovery. After careful sorting and preparation, each material is ready for its own specialized recovery process. Advanced optical systems can identify thousands of components every hour with exceptional accuracy. Automated vision systems help identify different materials with remarkable speed and consistency. After inspection, every circuit board moves to its next specialized processing department. Different metals are organized into dedicated streams so they can be processed efficiently and responsibly. Each recovered material now follows its own specialized industrial journey. What once looked like electronic waste has now become carefully organized streams of valuable industrial materials, each continuing its own journey through the factory. After inspection, every circuit board moves to its next specialized processing department. From a single discarded camera, dozens of valuable material streams continue through one of the world's most advanced recycling facilities. From a single discarded camera, dozens of valuable material streams continue through one of the world's most advanced recycling facilities. Different metals are organized into dedicated streams so they can be processed efficiently and responsibly. Every recovered material is carefully inspected before moving to the next industrial stage. Once approved, every material is prepared for safe transport to manufacturing industries. After passing strict quality checks, the recovered materials leave the recycling factory for their next destination. The journey doesn't end here. These recovered materials are now ready to begin a new life in factories around the world. Recovered materials have now reached the next stage of their industrial journey. The journey continues as these recovered materials begin a new chapter inside advanced manufacturing factories. Recovered materials are shipped to manufacturing industries across the world. The journey continues as these recovered materials begin a new chapter inside advanced manufacturing factories. Every recovered material is stored separately before entering advanced manufacturing. Status is optimal. The yield remains at 99%.
Transformation begins once again as recovered materials become the foundation for tomorrow's products.
Recovered copper begins another industrial journey inside one of the factory's largest production halls. The transformation begins once again as recovered materials become the foundation for tomorrow's products. Every reel is inspected to ensure it meets demanding industrial quality standards. What was once a discarded camera is now helping supply valuable industrial materials to manufacturers around the world. Every stage is monitored to ensure the recovered material meets strict industrial quality standards. Many optical components can be reused after passing strict inspection standards.
Here, the synchronized conveyor belts ensure a seamless flow, monitored closely by the team to maintain our 99% accuracy rate.
Thousands of recovered materials move through this automated network every day, ready to support the next generation of manufacturing. Thousands of recovered materials move through this automated network every day, ready to support the next generation of manufacturing. Every production line is synchronized to maintain continuous industrial efficiency. From discarded electronics to precision manufacturing, every step is connected through one seamless industrial process. Here at the automated assembly line, synchronized robotic arms work tirelessly, moving approved components from station to station with unparalleled efficiency. Automated vision systems inspect every component before it continues through production.
From discarded electronics to precision manufacturing, every step is connected through one seamless industrial process.
The recovered electronic assemblies now enter one of the factory's most advanced processing departments.
Every optical element is individually inspected before moving to the next stage.
Inside this single facility, thousands of recovered components are transformed into valuable industrial resources every day.
Automated inspection verifies that every recovered material meets strict industrial quality requirements.
Automated systems separate reusable optical components from those that will be recycled into industrial materials. Automated systems separate reusable optical components from those that will be recycled into industrial materials. From discarded electronics to precision manufacturing, every step is connected through one seamless industrial process. Automated systems separate reusable optical components from those that will be recycled into industrial materials. Reverence. The optical recovery department ensures that every usable lens and glass component is carefully sorted. Automated inspection verifies that every recovered material meets strict industrial quality requirements. The recovered electronic assemblies now enter one of the factory's most advanced processing departments. Every optical element is individually inspected before moving to the next stage. Inside this single facility, thousands of recovered components are transformed into valuable industrial resources every day.
The throughput on cell 4 dipped slightly. Check the calibration logs. It might be the vision system alignment.
Every optical element is individually inspected before moving to the next stage.
Here at the optical packaging station, automated units prepare the lenses.
Automated systems separate reusable optical components from those that will be recycled into industrial materials.
The optical recovery department ensures that every usable lens and glass component is carefully sorted, inspected, and prepared for its next industrial purpose. Covered aluminum frames begin their journey through the dedicated recovery department.
The macro view on Sector 4 indicates a minor anomaly. It's within tolerance, but we should monitor the next tray.
From discarded camera bodies to organized industrial resources, every material is given a new purpose through precision automation.
Automated preparation ensures every recovered material is organized for the next industrial stage.
The sorting statistics are excellent. We are recovering nearly all the camera plastics.
The autonomous robots are clearing the bins efficiently. Every plastic component is automatically identified before entering the next recovery stage.
The robotic inspection cell ensures unprecedented quality control for the aluminum components.
Automation organizes every recovered aluminum component for efficient industrial reuse.
Every recovered material stream comes together inside the factory's intelligent logistics center.
Automation keeps every copper material stream organized for maximum recovery efficiency.
All parameters within tolerance. Confirmed. The connectors are good to go.
Recovered copper enters one of the busiest departments inside the recycling facility. Every verified aluminum component is now ready for the next stage of the recycling supply chain. Behind every recycled camera is a highly coordinated logistics network that keeps valuable materials moving efficiently through the factory.
Every container is digitally tracked from arrival to final shipment.
Every recovered copper component is carefully prepared to become a valuable industrial resource once again.
Every shipment is carefully organized before leaving the recycling facility.
With certification complete, every recovered material is ready to begin its next industrial journey. Every approved batch receives complete digital traceability before shipment.
Every recovered material must pass one final inspection before leaving the factory. A fully automated logistics system prepares every shipment for global transportation.
Manifest confirms the next pallet is for lane 3.
Okay, the forklift is bringing it now.
After a global journey, the recovered materials arrive at advanced manufacturing facilities, ready to begin a completely new chapter. The recovered materials now travel across international trade routes toward manufacturing partners around the world. Certified materials leave the recycling factory and enter the global transportation network. The journey inside the recycling factory is complete, but for these valuable materials, a new life is only just beginning.
Recovered optical materials are transformed into precision components for future products.
Recovered copper begins a new life as precision electrical components used in modern technology. The journey continues as finished products leave the factory for customers around the world. What was once an old discarded camera has now become part of tomorrow's technology, proving that recycling is not the end of...
This FPV shot reveals the future of manufacturing. Highly synchronized robotic arms assemble complex
Continuous innovation helps improve efficiency, quality, and resource recovery every year. Recovered materials support manufacturing across many industries, giving valuable resources another productive life.
Behind every successful recycling operation are the people, technology, and teamwork that make it possible. Automation improves consistency, while skilled workers oversee every critical operation. Automation improves consistency, while skilled workers oversee every critical operation.
Thousands of individual processes work together to give every discarded camera a second chance. Every camera has the potential for a second life. Through innovation, skilled workers, and responsible recycling, every recovered material meets strict quality standards before beginning its next life. One discarded camera becomes the source of many valuable industrial materials.
Inside these walls, yesterday's technology is transformed into tomorrow's opportunity, one camera at a time.
Every recovered material has its own journey, but every journey begins with responsible recycling. Around the clock, the recycling process continues without interruption. Recovered resources continue supporting the technology of tomorrow.
Modern recycling succeeds through the combination of skilled people and advanced automation.
Even after sunset, the work of recovering valuable materials never stops.
Every recovered material represents an opportunity to reduce waste and create something valuable once again. From waste to worldwide innovation, every stage proves that valuable materials never have to reach the end of their story. Innovation, recycling, and global cooperation keep valuable resources moving around the world. What began as a forgotten camera has completed an extraordinary journey, proving that innovation and responsible recycling. As one shipment leaves, another arrives, keeping the cycle of recovery and renewal alive. The cycle never truly ends. Every arrival creates another opportunity for renewal. Responsible recycling connects communities, industries, and innovation across the globe. Every stage of the journey has one purpose: to ensure valuable materials continue serving the world instead of becoming waste.
Through innovation, skilled craftsmanship, and responsible recycling, yesterday's technology becomes...
Around the clock, the recycling process continues without interruption.
Responsible recycling connects communities, industries, and innovation across the globe.
Every recycled camera carries a story of innovation, recovery, and renewal, showing how yesterday's technology can help build tomorrow's world. Around the world, recycling facilities work together to keep valuable materials in use for future generations. This continuous cycle helps conserve valuable resources and extends the life of important materials. Few people realize that many modern products contain materials recovered from older electronics. Innovation begins with a simple decision: to recover, reuse,
and rebuild.
Fast autofocus and burst shooting helped capture wildlife at exactly the right moment. Tracking moving subjects felt effortless, even with unpredictable bird flight.
The compact design makes long travel days comfortable without sacrificing image quality. Beautiful colors straight out of the camera, and it's light enough to carry all day.
At sunrise, the camera captures remarkable detail and natural color across one of America's most iconic landscapes. Fast autofocus helps capture wildlife before the moment disappears. Golden hour photography rewards patience with extraordinary light and atmosphere. Family memories deserve natural colors and sharp details that last for generations.
The colors looked exactly like we were.
Challenging weather is where a dependable travel camera truly proves itself.
Even with heavy mist, the camera focused quickly and produced beautifully detailed images. From video to photography, switching modes feels smooth and intuitive during travel. It's one camera that
Simple controls make it easy for families and travelers to capture memorable moments.
Even in changing evening light, every photo looked sharp and natural.
The best travel memories are often the ones shared with family.
Historic landmarks deserve cameras capable of preserving every detail.
The texture and depth in every photo made the ancient stonework look incredible. Patience and great light often create the most memorable landscape photographs. Fast switching between video and photography helps capture every unforgettable travel moment. Everything felt smooth and responsive. I never missed a moment. Early morning light creates soft shadows and beautiful colors that every travel photographer appreciates. When the lights finally appear, one perfectly timed exposure can preserve a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Fast city life challenges every camera to balance motion, light, and detail. The most meaningful travel photos often capture simple moments shared with the people we love.
Fast city life challenges every camera to balance motion, light, and detail. Historic landmarks deserve cameras capable of preserving every detail. The texture and depth in every photo made the ancient stonework look incredible. Wildlife photography demands speed, precision, and perfect timing. Exceptional landscape photography begins with beautiful light and precise composition.
From mountains to cities, deserts to oceans, every unforgettable moment begins with a single click.